PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning proudly provides professional AC refrigerant services in Reading, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses keep their cooling systems running efficiently all season long. Our experienced HVAC technicians specialize in refrigerant inspections, leak detection, refrigerant recharging, and complete AC system diagnostics. If you have any questions, please contact our AC refrigerant services team. Are you looking for AC refrigerant services near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is refrigerant in an air conditioning system? Refrigerant is a specialized chemical used in your AC system to absorb heat from inside your home and release it outdoors. It is essential for keeping your air conditioner cooling properly and maintaining indoor comfort. How do I know if my AC refrigerant is low? Common signs of low refrigerant include warm air coming from vents, weak airflow, frozen evaporator coils, longer cooling cycles, unusual hissing noises, and higher energy bills. If you notice these issues, it's best to schedule a professional inspection. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC refrigerant services have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Moncton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.